Agadir here on the left hand side, so the Moroccan coast. And then on our right, actually those two islands you see here is Madeira and Porto Santo. And then here already you see the Canary Islands coming up, with the first one being Lanzarote, Fuerteventura, and then Gran Canaria, and you can actually see Tenerife here already, and then La Palma on the right. Unfortunately, it's a bit hazy today, so with a bit of luck, it'll clear up so we can actually see the islands as soon as we get closer.
Maybe if you agree, we can check the routing inbound to the airport already.
Yeah, sure, of course.
So I am expecting the Samar 4 Delta arrival.
Yeah, we just need to...
Yeah, so the routing is Samar to Izuru. It's track 201143 nautical miles.
Yeah.
Izuru is max 240 knots. Then Izuru to Madas is same track, 25 nautical miles. Madas is also a speed restriction. Which one do you have?
I see 230 or below, and then above flight level 60.
Yeah, that's on this chart, that's correct.
ILS Zulu, runway 21 right, which is actually a bit unusual, because usually it's runway 03 in use. But the winds are coming from the south at the moment, so it's runway 21 right. They'll be using 21 left for takeoff. The PAPI is unreliable, it says, so we may see wrong lights as soon as we approach. And then wind-wise, touchdown zone gives 150, 9 degrees, a bit variable. Between 120 and 170, it's Cavoke, 21 degrees, so that's very nice. And the QNH 1020.
Perfect.
A landing performance calculation with the actual weather reports that we just had. And then we'll push calculate. And then OPT will give us an overview with this landing weight landing on that runway in Gran Canaria. These are the brake settings we can use and the amount of runway that we will use with an available of 3099 meters.
Check the chart, so we might, it's possible, I don't know if it's very realistic, but vacate via Sierra 1.
Could be, yeah.
Which auto brake could we use? So it's we have a run of 3.1 kilometers. I think with auto brake 2 we need approximately 2 kilometers.
Yeah.
I think it's realistic.
Yeah.
It's we can take the high-speed taxiway as well. So let's take flaps 30, auto brake 2.
So we select the auto brake. And the flap setting we'll be using for landing.
Yep.
That's one more thing done.
We can do the descent checklist.
The descent checklist. Pressurization, landing altitude 100 feet, recall checked, auto brake 2, landing data.
VDF 30, 144, minimum is about 340 feet.
VDF 3144, minimum is about 340, and approach briefing
completed.
Descent checklist complete.
Flight level 130 set.
Checked. Enough buzz.
Calling 734. Columbia 734, climbing off level 380.
Flight level 380, subject 734.
Romeo Lima Papa is identified on my side.
Checked.
Let's cruise a bit more.
Check.
Please arm approach.
Approach. Voorlook light loop arm, Altac.
beautiful Golf, 12 mile final, around 1183, adios.
83, adios, beautiful Golf. Tower, buenos dias, beautiful Golf is about to become established on the ILS 21 right.
Hello, beautiful Golf, 21 right, wind 14010, report 5 miles south.
Cordial 5 miles, beautiful Golf. Cabin secure.
Check. Flaps 1.
Flaps 5, contact ground frequency on 121.7 right.
121,
Visual.
Visual.
Bye, sir. Beautiful Golf, runway 21 right, clear to land, wind 14010.
Little land, 21 right, beautiful Golf. Glide slope.
Check.
$2,500.
Check. Set must approach altitude.
Must approach altitude set.
Correcting speeds.
Check.
Gear down. Flaps 15. Flaps 30. Landing checklists.
Landing checklist, engine start switches.
Continuous.
Speed brakes.
Armed.
Landing gear.
Down.
Flaps.
30. Green light.
Landing checklist complete.
1,000.
Checked.
Check.
Are we cleared?
Yeah, little
Yeah,
land.
check. Correcting speeds.
Feet stable.
500.
So, buenas con Hospital Lima, establish ILS Zulu to 1 right.
Hello, Condor Delta Lima, wind 14008, set runway 21 right, report 4 miles south.
Report 4 miles out, Connor Friedland.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Speed brakes up. Reverse is normal.
Correcting center line.
Sixty knots.
Yep.
And I have control.
You have control.
Thanks.
Also brake, disarm.
Feet stable.
500.
So, buenas con Hospital Lima, establish ILS Zulu to 1 right.
Hello, Condor Delta Lima, wind 14008, set runway 21 right, report 4 miles south.
Report 4 miles out, Connor Headland.
50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Speed brakes up. Reverse is normal.
Correcting center line. And the route is still clear.
Condor Delta Lima, runway 21 right, clear to land. Wind
Voilà. Tango 07, it's one of the stands at the terminal. It's a gate normally.
Yep. Thanks.
I have not yet started the APU. I'll start the APU the next taxiway approximately.
Good idea. The right is clear. All right. We have the required cool down time,
Yeah,
so
start the APU as well.
go ahead and you may shut down number 1 engine.
Number 1. Master caution, ELEC, source off, safety related. And for information, the Alpine requested to push back from stand Tango 06, so we are parking Tango 07, so it will be approximately in between
Just,
the east
before.
jet, just in front.
Yeah.
No, the right is clear.
Lights off, please. And the shutdown checklist, please.
Shutdown checklist. Fuel pumps set. Probe heat. Auto. Hydraulic panel set. Flops.
Up.
Parking brake.
Set.
Engine start levers.
Cut off.
Weather radar.
Off.
Off. Shutdown checklist complete. Hello again everyone, we are here in Las Palmas, Gran Canaria. We'll now be preparing the aircraft for a short trip to Tenerife. We'll be only about 25 minutes in the air, so I hope to speak to you soon.